Hello everyone, good morning. First of all, congratulations all of you for getting very good marks in 10th standard and getting admission in one of the best college in Ahmednagar. Myself Priyanka Kharade, qualification MSc B.Ed. I am going to teach chemistry subject. First lecture is a chemistry lecture. I teach you first chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry. Before starting the first chapter, we will see the content of this subject. This is your chemistry book that you have to purchase from the market. The same book is freely available on Bal Bharati website in PDF format. You can download it. This is your index page. There are totally 16 chapters that you are going to learn. If you see this page carefully, you will find that some concepts are already studied in 9th and 10th standard, but some topics are new for you. Those concepts will be discussed in detail in further lessons. Let us start the first chapter, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. In this chapter, we are going to learn basic important concepts, laws, basic units, important unit conversions, etc. These all things are necessary to clearly understand further lesson. Let's begin the introduction part. The definition of chemistry. What is mean chemistry? Chemistry is the study of matter, its physical and chemical properties and changes takes place in the various process. What do we mean by matter? The matter is everything which has mass, occupied space. आपल्या आजूबाजूच्या ज्या वस्तू आहेत त्या सर्व मॅटर आहेत. हाऊ मेनी स्टेट्स ऑफ मॅटर डू यू नो? 3 states: solid, liquid, gas. मॅटरच्या ज्या फिजिकल अँड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज तसेच वेगवेगळ्या प्रोसेस थ्रू त्यामध्ये होणारे चेंजेसचा स्टडी केमिस्ट्रीमध्ये केला जातो. केमिस्ट्री इज अ सेंट्रल सायन्स बिकॉज केमिस्ट्री इज यूज्ड इन एव्हरी फील्ड लाईक First, food. Chemistry has helped to increase the quality and quantity of food by using fertilizers, fungicides and pesticides. Second, health and medicines. Life-saving drugs are the product of chemistry. For example, sulfur drugs, penicillin, paracetamol, etc. Third, industry. Chemistry played an important and useful role in development and growth of industry. For example, glass, cement, paper, polymer, food preservatives, plastics. Fourth, transport and communication. Automobile is helpful in transportation. All automobile uses petroleum product or coal, which are chemical product. Petroleum product. Which is petroleum product? Petrol and diesel. Fifth, chemistry as a source of energy. Atomic energy is used in nuclear power station as a source of electricity. For example, solar energy is used as a clean and pollution-free source of energy. And last, engineering. All engineering material like iron, steel, stainless steel, zinc, copper, alloys, etc. are extracted, purified synthesized and analyzed by using chemical technology. That's why chemistry is everyday life. Next, see nature of chemistry. Chemistry is traditionally classified further into 5 branches: organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry. First, see organic chemistry. This branch of chemistry, which deals with chemistry of carbon and their compounds, is called organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is study of the properties and reactions of compounds of carbon. Compounds of carbon, that is hydrocarbon. Most compounds contains at least one carbon hydrogen bond. Second, inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is study of all substances which are not organic. The branch of chemistry which deals with chemistry of element and their compounds other than carbon, that is not organic, other than carbon, that is not organic, is called inorganic chemistry. For example, carbon oxygen bond, that is CO2. Third branch, biochemistry. The branch of chemistry which deals with study of living organism is called biochemistry. Fourth branch, physical chemistry. The branch of chemistry which deals with the structure of matter, the energy changes, law and principles is called physical chemistry. And last branch is analytical chemistry. The branch of chemistry which deals with the separation, identification and quantitative determination of the composition of different substances is called analytical chemistry. Next concept is matter, study of matter. Matter is everything which has mass and occupies space. Matter is classified in two types. First, pure substance. Second, impure substance. Impure substance, that is mixture. Pure substance have a definite chemical composition. They always have the same properties regardless of their origin. Pure substances are further divided into element and compounds. Elements are pure substance which cannot be broken down into simpler substance by ordinary chemical changes. And elements are further classified as metal, non-metal, metalloids and noble gases. And mixtures एक मिनट है, मिक्सचर शब्द कटवा metal have lusters. Lusters means a shiny appearance. Metal conduct heat and electricity. can be drawn into wire, that is, are ductile, can be hammered into a thin sheet, that are malleable. For example, gold, silver, copper, iron, mercury is in liquid metal at room temperature. Second, non-metal. Non-metal have no lusters, exception diamond and iodine, are poor conductor of heat and electricity, exception graphite. Non-metal cannot be hammered into sheet or drawn to wire because they are brittle. For example, iodine, nitrogen, carbon. Third, metalloid. Some elements have properties intermediate between metals and non-metal. Metalloids is a mixed properties of metals and non-metals, so called metalloids, that is, or semi-metals. Example includes arsenic, silicon and germanium. And last is noble gases, that is, for example, helium. Next, mixture. Mixture have no definite chemical composition and hence no definite properties. For example of mixture, paint, mixture of oils, pigment and additives. Concrete, a mixture of sand, cement and water. And very known example of mixture is sugar solution, salt solution, alcohol and water solution. Two types of mixture is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. First is homogeneous mixture. The mixture having only one phase or which is uniform throughout is called homogeneous mixture. For example, mixture of salt and water, mixture of ethyl alcohol and water, mixture of gases, etc. Next, heterogeneous mixture. The mixture having two or more phases or which is not uniform throughout is called heterogeneous mixture. For example, phenol and water, iron and sand, silver chloride and water. In this way, mixture contains two or more substances in no fixed proportion and may be separated by physical methods. Next topic is states of matter. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas states. First state, in solid, constituent atoms or molecules are tightly held in perfect order and therefore solid possesses a definite shape and definite volume. Next, liquids. Liquid contains particles close to each other and they can move around within the liquid. And while in gases, the particles are far apart as compared to those in liquid and solid states. In this way, three states of matter are interconvertible by changing the conditions of temperature and pressure. For example, ice. तुम्हाला माहितीच असेल, ice is a solid state, but आईसला जर आपण हीट केलं, ice is converted into liquid state, that is water, and water is also heat. Water is converted to vapor, and this reaction is also reversible. वेपर्सला आपण जर कूल केलं तर वेपर्स इज कन्वर्टेड इन टू वॉटर, वॉटर ऑल्सो कूल, वॉटर इज कन्वर्टेड इन टू ice, that is solid state. In this way, 3 states of matter are interconvertible by changing the conditions of temperature and pressure. Next topic is properties of matter. Properties of matter is classified into 2 properties: physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties are those which can be measured or observed without changing the chemical composition of the substances. That is physical properties. Physical properties मध्ये no chemical change, कुठलीही रिॲक्शन होत नाही, फक्त फिजिकल चेंजेस होतात. These properties is called as physical properties. For example, color, odor, melting point, boiling point, density, etc. that is a physical properties. Second, chemical properties. Chemical properties are the properties where substances undergo a chemical change. That is chemical change, that is chemical reactions, and thereby exhibit change in chemical composition. For example, coal burns in air to produce carbon dioxide, or magnesium wire burns in air in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium dioxide. कोणतं एक्झाम्पल घेतलं? कोल. कोल burns in air to produce carbon dioxide in the presence of oxygen. इथे काय होतं आहे? कोल इज कार्बन ॲलोट्रॉप. कोल काय आहे? कार्बन ॲलोट्रॉप ची रिॲक्शन इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन काय फॉर्म होईल? कार्बन डायऑक्साईड. दिस इज अ केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. लक्षात आलं सगळ्यांना? हा इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट होता. केमिस्ट्रीचा काही पार्ट हा चार्ट वाईज लक्षात ठेवायला इझी जातो आणि रिव्हिजन करायलाही सोपं होतं. त्यामुळेच आपण चार्ट वाईज या कन्सेप्ट पाहिलेल्या आहेत. नेक्स्ट कन्सेप्ट सी इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थँक्यू.